Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making cream stew with mushrooms. It's a stew made with chicken broth and white sauce with several kinds of mushrooms. Cream stew is a popular home-cooked meal in Japan, especially when it gets colder in the fall and winter. These are the ingredients. Like Japanese curry, instant roux in a box is usually used for this dish, but it is easy enough to make a white sauce from scratch. Instead of typical stew ingredients like potatoes and carrots, we are adding a lot of mushrooms today. For a complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. First, we cut the chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. Cut the onion in half and slice thinly. Cut off the end of shimeji mushrooms and break apart into small bunches by hand. Cut the stem off of button mushrooms and cut into bite-sized pieces. And we do the same for shiitake mushrooms. Next, in a heavy large pot, heat oil at medium heat. Add the chicken and cook until browned. Add the sliced onion and cook for a few minutes. Then add all of the mushrooms. Cook for a couple of minutes and add the chicken broth. Cover with a lid, lower the heat to medium-low and cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to make the white sauce. In a frying pan, melt the butter at medium heat and add all-purpose flour and cook for a couple of minutes, stirring constantly. Gradually add the milk, whisking constantly so that the sauce doesn't form lumps. Whole milk will work the best, but you can substitute with other milk if you want. Simmer and whisk until the sauce becomes thickened and smooth. Next, we are going to add the white sauce to the stew and stir well. Season with salt and pepper and cook uncovered for about 10 minutes until the stew thickens. Serve in a bowl and top with chopped parsley. You can serve the stew with bread or with a side of rice similar to Japanese curry. This mushroom stew is warm, flavorful, and comforting. Hope you try this soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。